Hello guys, welcome back to World News Channel today. Yakubu Dogara blasts APC, says he's ready to go to jail if indicted in Hush Puppy's case. But before I proceed, please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so by clicking on the subscription button now. Thank you. The former Speaker of the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Yakubu Dogara, says he's ready to go to jail if the All Progressives Congress (APC) can establish any form of links or connection between him and Hush Puppy. This is coming barely 24 hours after the governing party on Saturday, through its deputy spokesman Yekini Nabena, called for probe of Dogara, the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, former Senate President Bukola Saraki, and Senator Dino Melaye. The call by the APC followed the arrest of Nigerian alleged internet fraudster Raymond Igbalodeli, alias Hush Puppy, by the Dubai police, and his subsequent extradition to the United States for trial. Some pictures of Hush Puppy and notable PDP chieftains had gone viral following the developments. This sparked some reactions on social media, including the APC linking Hush Puppy to the PDP chieftains. But in a statement made available to Igbere TV via mail on Sunday in Abuja, Dogara, a 2019 award winner for leadership excellence, denied any links or connection to the alleged internet fraudster. The former speaker said he has agreed to waive his rights for trial and ready to go to jail if the APC can prove its allegations. He, however, wondered why similar allegations were not leveled against some governors of the APC who had appeared in similar photos with an alleged money launderer, Monfa. The statement, entitled "The Fatuous and Infertile Statement" by the smell fungus called Yekini Nabena, signed off and sent by Turaki Hassan on behalf of Office of Right Honorable Yakubu Dogara, reads: The statement issued by one Yekini Nabena on behalf of the All Progressives Congress (APC), desperately seeking to link Right Honorable Yakubu Dogara to suspected cyber criminals on the basis of a group picture taken at a public event, is, to say the least, infantile, rash, and fatuous. This smell fungus called Nabena should have known that it is sheer mindlessness to attempt to execute mischief and blackmail in plain sight before the public, some of whom are better informed. Who is that fool that links people to criminal activity simply because they appeared in a group picture at a public event comprising of people from different walks of life? If appearing in a group photograph is what Nabena is now using to establish a link or connection to crimes or alleged criminals, then why didn't he issue such a statement in the wake of the arrest of a suspected money launderer by name Ismaila Mustafa, aka Monfa, whose pictures with notable personalities, including some APC governors, are all over the social media? Is Nabena guilty of selective amnesia or sheer perfidy? Who is Nabena scared of? Who is he trying to fool? For the records, Right Honorable Yakubu Dogara has agreed to waive his rights to a trial and go to jail if Nabena establishes any form of links or connection between him and the alleged cyber criminal before the events until now. For Right Honorable Yakubu Dogara, that picture was just another picture among the thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, of such pictures with Nigerians from all walks of life. If the said Nabena is what he sought, next time he speaks, he should speak to issues affecting the welfare of our union, which are well known to all discerning Nigerians. Nabena should or ought to know that there is no honor in speaking about group pictures taken at public events when the nation is bleeding and most Nigerian families are struggling and hurting. Okay, and Nigerians also have taken to social media to react to this. Chocho54 said, APC is still smarting from the upper courts they delivered to themselves few weeks ago. Even as a ruling party, they are at higher risk of extinction than even APGA. So you must understand that they latch onto anything for survival. Dogara and co. should not have dignified with a response. Okay. Austin wrote, APC has turned Hush Puppy's case to politics. Who knows, they might even be the ones that used Hush Puppy for money laundering. Okay. Slawome wrote, it's alright. Make them shut up concerning all this Hush Puppy talk. I can bet my boss that our real nigga no go spend more than 10 years for jail. Make him plead guilty sharply. And moreover, my mind even dey tell me say maybe dem fit calculate day and night for am. Okay. Iya Trustee wrote, our politicians sef, who be Hush Puppy wey go dey farms with dem? The legit hustlers no go fit approach dem because of protocol. Honestly, God suppose punish all of them. Alright. Mandigo wrote, the APC will do anything or anyhow to pull anyone that's everyone into the mud of corruption and stealing that their government has grievously been known for. I also think the politicians should wait for their own tsunami that will sweep them away for subverting the wish of the people and looting their commonwealth. Okay, talk is cheap. ESC 2000 wrote, fear, FBI matter don dey fear them. Since all the while, that tax collectors party of Nigeria tag FBI and CIA on Twitter, dem no sabi say a day like this is coming. I don't understand what this one is saying. General Pula wrote, I don't think all these politicians got anything to do with Hush Puppy per se, rather than a campaign strategy. But as far anything can happen in Nigeria, they'd be so foolish to run things with him and not telling him to cut down his social lifestyle. Okay? Somebody wrote, this Hush Puppy gets connection, no? Says in the snap with notable Nigerians. Okay? Eldorado wrote, Nabena and APC, over to you. Dogara has waived his rights to trial, preferring to go to jail directly. Immediately you guys produce a scintilla of evidence linking him to Hush Puppy. Kobikov wrote, the fact that you took a pics with an individual at a public event does not necessarily mean that you have links with that individual. Okay. Another person wrote, APC and their propaganda machines. Why didn't they make similar statements during the arrest of Monfa against one of their own? This is clearly a malicious and misleading behavior of APC. They play politics with everything. Pig Tormentor wrote, idiotic hypocrites. If Hush Puppy was caught taking pictures with APC bigwigs, we all know that the Pandemic Development Party, PDP, and their zombies in the IPIG terrorist group will be wailing and crying for investigation by now. Bunch of hypocritical retard. Okay, that was very harsh. Talk No Cheap wrote, Nice reply. Smell fungus, chai. The APC's attack on the opposition since this hush puppy case started is so childish and a confirmation of how insensitive and shallow they are. They are so far from reality that they think what is happening to our image globally is a PDP concern or problem. Wow, that's how so far Nigerians have reacted and more reactions. So guys, if you have anything to say concerning this, you can drop your comments in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.